Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. You need to start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System. From here you need to choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, choose Theme. Now you can scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. When you're ready, click on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, save your keyboard by choosing Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it though, you can do that by going into the same theme settings, swiping up and choosing this plus icon under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. You can click on those two lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources, like Downloads. Now tap on the photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Then tap on Done, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to make some changes to your keyboard, you can click on it, tap on this pen icon next to Bin, and do wherever you wish to. Edit it however you want to. Then click on Apply, and when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to delete it, just go into the same settings, tap on the theme, select this bin icon, and click on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!